Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today we are going to be opening up Birchbox for the month of May. If you've never heard of Birchbox, it's a really awesome $10 subscription where you get some high-end samples, you get some drugstore samples, and just all kinds of new little goodies to try. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the very first thing that I'm seeing in here is this sugar texturizing spray. I'm not even going to try to say the name of this brand, but here is the little bottle that it comes in. I think this is a really awesome concept. I love texturizing sprays. As somebody with a lot of hair, but it's like baby hair, I definitely need lots of texture added to it. So any kind of salt spray or sugar spray, which I've never heard of, by the way. Sugar spray is just totally weird compared to salt spray. But anything that's going to give me some texture, I'm all about that life. And that's actually a pretty good size sample, so that one is a really good one. Then we have got this There's always things in here that I cannot say. It's either Marcel or Marcel. I'm not going to try to butcher that any worse than I already did. This is a tinted cream and it has SPF 25. This is actually a pretty tinted and pretty pigmented cream. So this is again a pretty decent size little sample. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the tube. And it's pretty much just like a sunscreen, but it has a little bit of a tint to it. So there is what the coverage is looking like. That's not blended out to the max, but it's still, for it to just be like a sunscreen, it has quite a bit of coverage. Then we've got this little shadow stick from Love of Color. I think the name is Heavy Petal, but this is what the stick looks like. It is extremely shimmery and like a kind of rose gold color, so very pretty, very springy. Then we have a Dr. Lip Miracle Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. This says that it is one product, 100 uses. Use every day for beautiful, soft, glossy lips. You can treat dry, rough, sore, or sensitive skin. Get creative with your Dr. Lip. Use as a cheek shine, tame eyebrows, mix with pigments or glitter, etc. It's tasteless, odorless, and so kissable. So that's really cool. That's a really good size sample, especially if you're just going to be using it on your lips. Or I think it sounds really awesome to use for a cheek shine too. That sounds pretty cool. I don't know. I didn't think about that. That's really cool. And then the scent for this month was the Clean Cool Cotton perfume. I actually gave that to my mom because she is very rare that she likes a perfume, and she really liked that one, so I just told her to go ahead and keep that sample because we're kind of swarming over here with perfume samples. I love getting perfume samples, and then sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't, and they just collect in a drawer, but I always like them, and then I get kind of overwhelmed by them, so I'm just like, have all the samples, like have the perfume. But that is everything that was in this month's Birchbox. Thank you guys so much as always for watching. If you are not already, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button right down there, become a member of the family, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, y'all, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.